Boxwood is a versatile and popular evergreen shrub that adapts well to container gardening. Here are some creative and practical ideas for using boxwood in pots. Formal entryway planters. Flank your front door with matching boxwood topiaries in tall, elegant containers. This classic look adds a touch of formality and structure to your entryway. Mixed container gardens. Combine boxwood with other plants such as colorful annuals or perennials for a visually appealing mixed container garden. The boxwood provides a stable evergreen backdrop to seasonal blooms. Tiered planters. Create a tiered effect by placing boxwood plants of different heights in a set of graduated pots or planters. This adds dimension and interest to your outdoor space. Boxwood hedges. Use large rectangular containers to plant a row of boxwood shrubs close together, creating a mini hedge. This is great for adding privacy or defining different areas in your outdoor space. Boxwood in urns. Place boxwood shrubs in ornate urns or decorative pots to create a timeless and elegant look. This work well in both traditional and modern settings. Boxwood borders. Line a pathway or patio with a row of boxwood filled containers. This defines the space and adds a touch of greenery. Mini boxwood forest. Plant a cluster of boxwood plants of varying heights in a large, low container to mimic a miniature forest. This works particularly well in Asian-inspired urban gardens. Winter interest. Boxwood is evergreen, so it provides year-round interest. Consider adding seasonal accents like pine cones, colorful winter berries, or small LED lights to your boxwood pots during the winter months. Seasonal decor. Change out the containers or add seasonal decoration to your boxwood pots for holidays or special occasions. For example, add mini pumpkins in the fall or ornament in the winter. Remember to choose the right type of boxwood for your climate and consider the size of the container, as boxwood can grow at different rates depending on the variety. Also ensure your boxwood containers have proper drainage to prevent root rot. With a little care and creativity, boxwood can be a fantastic addition to your potted plant collection and outdoor decor. Thanks for watching.